Solid, established, trusted. CDK Global Heavy Equipment is a leading provider of dealership management solutions for heavy equipment dealerships. With complete DMS integration to all areas of your business, you'll have everything you need to run your business better, now and for the long term. Maximize your dealership with CDK.
I'm Chad Gormley with Hiawatha Implement, and I'm the sales manager. Our sales structure is basically we have a sales manager and a used equipment manager. We work with all the sales guys to put the deals together. We look at the used values between the two of us. We set all the used values. And then our used equipment manager, he focuses on the wholesale side to help keep our used equipment turning so that we can continue making deals on the new and not get bottlenecked with having too much used to where it hinders our ability to sell the new equipment. We basically have early order programs with Deere for planters, sprayers, combines, and on those we kind of set goals on the number of units that we're willing to sell based on what we feel we can sell used wise. Tractors, we look at the market every year and kind of determine what we think we need as far as used to resell, and then also what we can sell new so that we can cover the whole market and keep our market shares where we want them, and then also keep our machine populations up for our aftermarket business. And then from there, we sit down with our sales guys quarterly and have sales meetings, talk about what our goals are, and then each one of them put together a plan or a list of customers that they feel are potential candidates for that given year based on their trade cycles. And then also we look at some stretch goals, which are maybe some customers that don't trade on a regular cycle or to try to go after. And then from there we meet quarterly and just discuss where we're at and whether we need to refocus or whether we're on target. I use market share to look at our numbers and what the industry's doing. So it kind of gives me an idea that if the industry has 20 units in this category for the last 3 to 5 years, that's probably what we need to base our sales on. So if we want, say 80% market share, we're basing that off of 20 units versus 40 units or something like that. So that's kind of how we back figure it. The biggest opportunities are going to be around support and technology, and that's what's really built our business is the support side. The technology's been a bigger piece in the last probably 20 years more so, but the support is what our customers are looking for. Relationships a big part of that, but also when they're broke down, they need somebody to take care of them. They're machines and they're going to break down at some point. And then the technology piece is you guys are looking to be able to grow more per acre, and that's a constant feat to just get more out of every acre. And the more the technology can help them with the data or with the downforce, if that's helping them get a better stand so that the yield's going to be better at the end. All those things are what guys are looking at, and that's our job with our agronomists that we have on board as well to help customers understand how that's going to tie into their operation and make them more money. We're fortunate we don't have high turnover rates. Once we find good people, we're able to hold them for the most part, but we've been able to move people around internally to different positions for some of our sales positions as well, whether they be from the service department or from the parts department. We've been real fortunate, and I think a lot of that attributes to the amount of employees we have, how long they've worked for us, and the Larry's management structure, and then also the facilities. I mean, facilities that we have do speak a lot to people wanting to work in a nice facility.